everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Raphael from Vision Technologies. In today's video, I'll be showing you step-by-step process on how you can start data reselling business. Okay, because I've gotten a lot of messages asking me how to start a data reselling business, and that is why I'm making this video here today for you in order to start data reselling business. Do you know that data reselling business is one of the lucrative business here in Nigeria? You can start with money, you can start without money. So I'll be showing you step-by-step process on how you can start this data reselling business and how you can make money doing this business. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you're a channel subscriber, I thank you so much for coming back to check what I have for you on this channel today. So without wasting time, let me go to my screen right now to show you how to start data reselling business and make money from it. Let's go. Yeah, welcome back. Like I said, I will show you how to start data reselling business. Okay, you can start this using just your smartphone. Even though you don't have a PC, your smartphone is enough for you. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you the things that you need to know before thinking of starting a data reselling business. Okay, I will start from the fundamentals, what data reselling business is all about. Okay, so I will show you what it is. All right. So here is the introduction to VTU. All right, because what I'm talking about is VTU. From VTU now comes to data reselling. I'm going to show you how it works, okay, and the strategies that you need to follow before you can start making money from this data reselling business. All right. So now, what is VTU? What is VTU? Okay, VTU stands for Virtual Top Up. Virtual Top Up. It is a digital service that allows users to recharge or top up their mobile airtime, data, and other services electronically. In olden days, if you want to recharge your line, you go out there, then get a scratch card for yourself before you can top up your mobile. Okay, before you can top up your mobile phone. Okay, now this time around is not like that again. You can stay at anywhere and top up your line. Okay, so that is that. Now, it is a convenient alternative. It is a convenient alternative to traditional top-up methods like scratch cards or physical vouchers. Like I said, in olden days, before you can recharge your line, you go out there, get a scratch card for yourself, then enter the PIN. But this time around, it's no longer like that, okay? Because VTU has come to stay, alright? It's a convenient alternative to traditional top-up method like scratch card or physical vouchers, okay? Now, why does VTU matters? These are the things that you need to ask yourself. What does VTU matters? Okay? Now, I'm going to tell you why VTU matters, okay? VTU services are essential for maintaining communication. It is essential for maintaining communication, alright? Staying connected and accessing the internet, okay? Especially in the regions with limited access to physical top-up outlets. Let me tell you, there's a place you might go, okay? There are no shops there. There's no shop where you can get a scratch card for yourself. But since VTU has come to stay, you can do that by staying anywhere. You can recharge your line. You can subscribe data anywhere, even though you're in the bush. You can do that, okay? Because VTU has come to stay. That is one of the things that this VTU matters, okay? So here's the key features of VTU, because you need to know the key features of VTU. Alright. One of the key features of VTU is that it has instant recharge. Okay. Users can top up their mobile account instantly, anytime, anywhere, using various payment methods. Yes, you can top up your mobile account instantly anywhere you are using various payment methods. Alright? Then another key features of VTU is what? Accessibility. Accessibility. Okay? VTU services are accessible through multiple channels such as websites, mobile apps, and USSD code. Okay, it is very accessible through multiple channels such as website and mobile applications. These are the key features of VTU. Alright, and also flexibility. VTU platforms offer a wide range of services beyond airtime top-up, including data bundles, bill payment, and utility payments. Okay, so you can use VTU to pay for bill payments and utility payments. Alright, now, do you know that there are many opportunities in this business? I'm going to show you the opportunities. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I release a new video like this one you're watching right now. Okay, one of the opportunities in this business is that VTU presents lucrative opportunities for entrepreneurs, retailers, and service providers to tap into the digital economy. Are you following? And meet the evolving need of consumers. It presents lucrative opportunities for entrepreneurs, retailers, and service providers to tap into the digital economy and meet the evolving needs of consumers. These are one of the opportunities in VTU business. Okay, and also another opportunity in VTU business that it offers a low-cost entry point to the telecommunications sector. Alright, with the potential for high returns on investment and long-term sustainability. Okay, now let me tell you. Have you gotten a data before from your bank, like 1 gig? Have you? How much? I think it's 1,000 per gig, right? Now, do you know that in this VTU business, you can't get 1 gig for 1,000 naira. You must get it below 1,000. These are one of the opportunities that is in this VTU business. I'm going to show you more things in this VTU business. Getting started with VTU business. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I release a new update in this channel. Okay, so this is the end of this class now. On our next section, I will show you how you can get started with VTU business. Thank you very much, and see you on the next slide.